Good evening, students. Today I'll explain how to draw the stick diagram for inverters. Let us start with first inverter, that is NMOS inverter. To draw the stick diagram, first we have to know the circuit diagram of it. NMOS inverter. Okay. The circuit diagram is this is the circuit diagram. Okay. Here it is the depletion mode transistor. The top one, this is a depletion mode transistor, and this is normal enhancement mode transistor. Here this is the point where it is joining. Wherever the joinings are made, you have to keep some dot. Okay. This is the circuit diagram for NMOS inverter. Now let us start with stick diagram. So first, starting the stick diagram, the first step is to draw metal. For metal, we'll be using the color blue to indicate power supplies. So let us draw the color blue for metal. So this is the first step with metal. Okay. Next step is, this is NMOS inverter. So for NMOS inverter, here the diffusion is N diffusion. The diffusion color for N is green. So draw green color line here. I am using the double line so that it will be thick to indicate for indication. So here, see here the joining is made for metal and diffusion. You have to indicate contact cut using color black. You can use either pencil or black sketch also. And after this, you have to write down here, this is VDD and this is ground. You have to mention this blue color metal in brackets blue, and this is contact in bracket black. Okay. Now the diffusion has been completed. Now what the next step is, you have to make a transistor. 2 transistors we have to make here. So in order to make a transistor, what is a step? The diffusion plus polysilicon. Polysilicon means the color is red. So I am using the red sketch like this. Okay, this is one transistor and other is the second one, other transistor. Okay, you have to mention here as this is N diffusion bracket green, and these two are polysilicon in bracket red. Okay. Now we have to make contact cuts. The joining has been made here, one and other one here. Okay. Next, indicate inputs. Where is the input here? Second enhancement input here, and output is here, V out. Okay. You may have a doubt, ma'am, here the indication is like this here and you have made indication reverse here. While designing, the process is made like this. Anyways, the gate should be connected to source. See, next here, this is the depletion mode transistor. Okay, this is a depletion mode transistor, means we have to indicate implant. I have told you implant is indicated with color yellow, and for NMOS the yellow should be square box. So use the color yellow to indicate implant. Okay, right here implant with color yellow. Clear? This is the stick diagram representation for NMOS inverter. Okay, first draw the circuit diagram and represent it with using colors. Metal for indicating power supplies with color blue, and here it is NMOS inverter. The diffusion will be N, color is green, and two transistors are formed. In order to form the transistor, polysilicon should be interacted, that is crossover, with diffusion, that is represented with red color. Make a crossover, and wherever the joinings are made, represent it with black color, contact cut. Okay, you may extend this particular color to this side without indicating the contact cut. Like, see example, if the diffusion may be like this, you can indicate the transistor by ending here and making a contact cut like this, or else you can also indicate like this with plus symbol. Here no need of making a contact cut. Clear? This is a representation of NMOS inverter. If you have any doubts, let me know.